In this video I will show you how to promote your YouTube video in LinkedIn site. So let's get started. First, having logged into LinkedIn site, we need to click Write Article link. On this page, we can type a title for the article. Since we're promoting YouTube video here, we can type in the YouTube video title in this headline field. Next, we can upload a cover image from our computer. Here, we can add the main content of the article to be posted in LinkedIn. And to promote YouTube video, we can type in the video title here. And we can copy the YouTube video link and link this text back to the YouTube video in our YouTube channel. And finally publish the content on our LinkedIn account. Before that, we can add keywords for the post here. And we are done publishing the post. We can promote and share the LinkedIn article on other social media pages, or message it to our connections in LinkedIn. Or we can copy the article link and share in any other social or chat apps or through our emails. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.